Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoine Urker, and in this world that's constantly evolving, there's one thing that remains there forever, and that's the pursuit of healthier lifestyle and being happier. As we move into 2024, it's the perfect moment to embrace change, prioritize well-being, and build habits that empower us. Join me in this video as we dive into a step-by-step guide to developing a healthy habits that will transform your life this year and beyond. Self-reflection is the first one I'll talk about. And goal setting. Start your journey by reflecting on your current lifestyle and identifying areas that need change. This lays the foundation for setting realistic and attainable goals. Consider both short-term and long-term objectives, assuring they align with your values and goals, aspirations. Write them down and keep them in a visual place as a constant reminder of what you're working toward. Often we get caught up in excitement of making big changes instead of completely taking on much of your routine. Start with one habit at a time and commit to practicing it daily. 2, start small, like I said, build consistency. Begin with small, manageable changes, whether it's incorporating daily morning stretch routine, opting for stairs instead of elevators, or dedicating a few minutes to meditation. These adjustments pave the way for lasting habits. Consistency is key, and aim to perform these activities regularly and make them part of your routine. This helps you build momentum and make it easier to take on bigger changes in the future. 3, prioritize physical activity. Regular exercise is important and crucial in a healthy lifestyle. Choose activities that resonate with you, whether it's yoga, jogging, cycling, or dancing. For me, it's swimming. Find the joy in movement and aim for at least 30 minutes of what you love doing, and incorporating the physical activity not just benefits your body, but also enhances mental clarity and emotional well-being, which is so important. I can't stress it enough. 4, nourish your body with healthy eating. Fuel your body with wholesome, nutritious foods. Focus on a balanced diet, combining fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Be mindful of your eating and take small bites and just savor each bite and appreciate it, as that aids in building a healthier relationship with food. Avoid crash diets or restrictive eating patterns. Instead, opt for sustainability and nourishing food choices, but also things that you enjoy. Sustainability is key here. 5, embrace rest and recovery. Remember the significance of rest. Quality sleep is fundamental for overall health. Although honestly, I'm not the best, I'm not perfect in that area, but establishing a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure your sleep environment promotes restfulness and you can sleep well. Additionally, incorporate periods of relaxation and recovery into your routine to prevent burnout and optimize productivity. That can include taking breaks throughout the day, practicing mindfulness, journaling, reading, just anything that's low impact, even a brisk walk. And embracing rest is just crucial for maintaining both physical and mental well-being. And it's just good for you all in together. Deep breathing, exercising, journaling is also big, can be significant and reduce stress levels and enhance mental resilience. And just seek moments of peace and calm. In life, it's so fast and could be chaotic, which I know. So this kind of centers yourself. Remember to prioritize your mental well-being even over just physical. It goes hand in hand. It's a foundation of fulfilling and balanced life. 7, accountability and adaptivity. Find support from friends and family, or join a community with people with similar goals and aspirations. Sharing experiences and progress with others fostering, and motivation, accountability. Be it flexible approach, acknowledging that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Although I know it's kind of hard to not view it as a failure when you don't succeed sometimes, but try to change your mindset. Consider them as opportunities to grow and just change the habit. Be able to adapt and pivot when necessary. It's crucial. It's a crucial skill to achieve long-term success. Additionally, holding yourself accountable means being honest with yourself and acknowledging when you may need help. Seeking support from a therapist or counselor can provide valuable insights, techniques for managing stress and improving mental resilience. Remember that asking for help is a sign of strength and it's never a sign of weakness. 8, track progress and celebrate. Although I know it's hard when you're not making big results, it can be hard, but keep track in a journey, documenting progress, whether through an app or a calendar. Allow it to visualize your achievements and identify areas for improvement. Celebrate milestones along the way. No matter how small, they serve as reminders of your dedication and progress. Share successes with others that can provide motivation and also inspire them around you to also work on their own long-term success. Persevere and evolve. Building healthy habits is an ongoing process, not just a one-time thing. And embrace the journey, understanding that change takes time. Be patient and compassionate with yourself throughout this transformative process. Continuously evaluate and adapt your habits to suit your evolving lifestyle. Keep it congruent. What worked for you a year ago may not work for you now. And that's okay, guys. Be open to trying new things and finding what works best for you in your current stage in life. Keep going. It's important to remember that progress is not always right away. There'll be setbacks and challenges along the way, but don't let them discourage you. I know sometimes it's easier said than done, but instead use them, try to see it this way as an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep going, even when it feels difficult, because I know it is, or you face obstacles. Remember why you started this journey and focus on your long-term goals. As today's video ends, remember that the small steps toward a healthier lifestyle can lead to the greatest transformation. If you found this video helpful at all, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more inspiring videos like this right here, which I'm posting all the time. I'm being more consistent now and personal growth. Share your experiences and thoughts down in the comments below. Here's to a year filled with positive changes and a commitment to nurturing our best selves. Remember, I love you and appreciate you. Have a great day or night wherever you live. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep striving to be better.